Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode for season 3 of Perception 101. So it's been a month that I have started my video podcast on YouTube, and 5 episodes later, I can actually say that it requires a lot of hard work and consistency. But I am ready for it, and I'm not gonna back down because there are a lot more interesting and exciting episodes to come with really inspirational people. Like our guest for this episode, she is promoting food therapy through her venture, and it is such a unique concept. So let's not waste more time and welcome Rishika Jain, the founder of The Secret Ingredient. So, hi Rishika, welcome to Perception 101. I hope you have been fine during the whole pandemic, and it's really nice to hear from someone and from other people about your whole venture. So, that was the reason I got attracted to your venture and I wanted you on my podcast. So, thank you so much for doing this episode with me.
Thank you so much for having me here. And let's begin. I'm very excited for the whole meeting.
Okay, that's great. I'm also very excited for this episode, to be honest, because what you're doing is very unique, and I've not known a lot of people who have started something like this. So I'll just leave the platform for you to introduce yourself and your venture for our listeners.
Hi, I'm Rishika Jan. So I have started this new thing in lockdown, uh, which is promoting the concept of food therapy. Okay, so now I have a page named The Secret Ingredient. My firm name is Secret Ingredient. I have a whole page. Uh, like I take orders for a lot of things. I do a lot of things. So now I will explain you the main agenda why I am here, because you have already done bakers and you have catered those people. I don't call myself a baker. I'm not a baker. So I'll make it very clear for everybody that what am I really doing. So basically, I believe in that food can change all the moods, food can turn lives, food can change, matlab, it can move mountains for me. And I don't know that people agree with this or not, but I think it is there. Somewhere it is there, that it is very important. So I try and my whole team works the best to deliver at your footstep the thing which you really want, the food, the taste which you really aspire for. So suppose you are at home and you want a dessert, and you are not a very big fan of chocolate. Dessert and chocolate go like, मतलब हमें suppose dessert खाना है तो हम हमारा होता है कि चलो chocolate खा लेते हैं या कुछ खा लेते हैं. But now that you don't like chocolate, like you have had a lot of chocolate, so you come to me, you tell me that this is what I like. You like dark chocolate, you like white chocolate, you like whatever, you like mango, anything. You just tell me, I'll create something out of it and I'll deliver. And of course, I'm not a pro, but we try our best to deliver you everything possible as per your taste. So hence, promoting the concept food therapy.
Okay, so basically, it's all about food therapy and giving happiness
Yes,
to
only
people
about food
through
therapy.
food, the whole
Yes.
happiness culture that is there for people through food. And I totally agree with you that somewhere people don't even agree कि हाँ उनके अंदर वो है like they can be happy through food or not, but कहीं ना कहीं वो अंदर है उनके जो unconsciously they don't know about it, but there is this thing unconsciously that yes, when there is food, when their tummy is full and when they eat something that they like, it's always a good mood. They are so in a good zone and everything that they can work nicely. They can be in a
You
good
can take
conversation.
decisions nicely.
Yes.
I think everything can be in a right place and in a calm state when you
Yeah.
have good food.
Yeah, when your tummy is full with your whole thing, and obviously the good food is also required. And the food changes your mood as well. If you don't like the food, your mood changes. If you love the food, your mood changes. So
Your mood
that
changes.
way, I
Absolutely.
that's the main thing. That was the main thing that attracted me to your venture. That someone I haven't known you that long, but someone whom I have known through my friends and everyone, and people telling me that you are promoting food therapy. Your page is already saying nicely that yes, hashtag food therapy. Everything that you are doing is for food therapy, and the way you are promoting it, and those things that you said ki ha
किसी को खुशी जो मिलती है वही फूड थेरेपी हो जाता है. And plus you are from a psychology background, so I really want to know, why didn't you go for anything as a therapist or a counselor, but you chose something as in baking and doing something of this sort?
So basically, I did my graduation in psychology from Delhi, and then I came here, and then lockdown happened and everything. I started this page thing, and I started it off because I was always interested in cooking and creating some new things. So I've always been in that line. So till now, I am thinking my future plans are to, expand this whole thing in a very different way. In a way, like I'll do my masters. I'll definitely do my masters. I'm thinking to do masters in something like pastry chef or something, or just a culinary course or something. And then I really want to create a space or like a chamber where you come there, you sit with me, we'll gossip, we'll talk, we'll help you solve your problems with good food as well. I'll cook for you and we'll talk over that food. You talk, चाय पे चर्चा, मेरे खाने पे चर्चा होगा.
Okay, that's a great concept.
My agenda and my vision is खाने पे चर्चा. Oh, let's have खाने पे चर्चा.
If I am imagining right now the situation that you want to create, matlab, you will be a therapist, you will be a counselor somewhere, but when you are in the chamber talking to that person, you will take out their favorite food, like from them, उनके साथ cooking करते
I make them comfortable. So my way of making people comfortable is giving them good food.
Okay,
food of their
great.
So that they connect to me. Yes.
That's a great concept for people to come to you and talk about things, plus having that therapy wala feeling, and plus having that good food as well. वो comfort zone में आने के लिए बहुत easy हो जाएगा सबके लिए, and people will be very.
I have till my grad level, okay, I have seen a lot of counselors, I've seen a lot of therapists, and I've learned so many things from them. So I used to take therapy as well. I used to feel कि कितना ही हो जाओ, जब दो जन unknown रहते हैं ना, so it takes a lot of time to get to sink in. So that's maybe food will help me to sink in better. That's the only thing. So you come, you will take desserts, you have a lot of desserts, you cry over things, we laugh over things. So this is the whole concept.
Okay.
And I am very much interested in psychology till now also. I will be pursuing this.
Obviously, yes. Psychology is something even I am interested in, and plus if someone takes that whole ground, I believe इतना interest आ जाता है उनको कि the attachment with psychology is so deep. उसके बाद खुद के अंदर वो understanding आ जाता है even for ourselves and for the people around us. And it's like
true that
human being का वो nature है जो बहुत दब चुका है काफी हद तक लोग के अंदर, but that helping nature comes out. And उसके बाद सबके अंदर ये हो जाता है कि yes, the therapist वाला feeling आ जाता है कि yes, this is the thing that I want to do. Psychology अगर लिया है तो this is the thing, but your concept is totally a different thing. And people don't know each other वाला जो feeling हमेशा रहेगा, even if it's a therapist, well-renowned therapist, तो वो हटाने के लिए you want to make them comfortable, giving them their favorite food and everything, उनको comfort zone में लाके, and then the therapy starts. Food therapy भी हो रहा है, plus they're crying, laughing, सब कुछ चल रहा है. And this is a very good concept, to be honest, and काफी unique है, at least for me. हम आज तक नहीं सुना है इसके बारे में, so seriously hats off. ऐसा सोचना भी आज के डेट पे बहुत बड़ा बात है, and now you are actually working on it.
कितना बड़ा आइडिया नहीं है ना ये. We eat like 5 times a day. We keep our whole days about food, and we have suppressed this so much inside us कि वो इतना normalize हो गया. We have lost the beauty of it. The beauty of
enjoying food.
We have literally lost the beauty of enjoying food.
तो वो समझ में आ रहा है यहाँ पे, वो concept धीरे धीरे मेरे अंदर भी आ रहा है कि like this is a bad habit, totally a bad habit, yes. कि जब हम लोग कुछ खा रहे होते हैं, आजकल हो गया है कि नेटफ्लिक्स या तो कोई सिटकॉम या सीरीज या मूवी या कुछ भी देखना है, वरना कब देखेंगे क्योंकि टाइम नहीं मिलता है, एंड दैट कॉन्सेप्ट इज ओके बट एक हद तक. Every time you eat food, you don't even concentrate on the taste and everything, and you just keep gulping it, and जो सामने चल रहा है तो उसको देखते हैं.
True that.
तो उसका
बहुत,
तो
मतलब
खराब हो जाता है. It's nice. The way you are trying to achieve this in a whole different level, काफी अच्छा है, काफी you know, it's unique. To be honest, it's very unique. But I really want to know कैसे ये idea आया, क्योंकि ये क्लिक होने वाला आइडिया है. इट्स नॉट दैट कि अचानक यू हैव ऑलवेज वांटेड टू डू.
नेवर
था, क्योंकि सेम गोस फॉर माय पॉडकास्ट एज वेल. एक दिन क्लिक हुआ, हमको बात करना है, अच्छा लगता है, and I started it. So I believe it's the same for you, and I would really like to know how it all started.
And you know, what could be any better situation than lockdown for you know, for bringing out something like this.
That's true.
So okay, I told you na starting mein lockdown क्या पता सबके लिए अच्छा है, किसी के लिए खराब है. So it was also very mediocre for me. Okay, there were times जो बहुत खराब था, there were times जो बहुत अच्छा था. I've learned a lot of things, and सब चीज में एक चीज constant था, खाना. Food. I used to make, I used to bake, I used to do everything only for myself and to make things which make me feel good, because that was the only thing to to feel good. That was the only thing. So it started off like that. I was just, I was like, let's do it. I used to send cake jars and everything to my friends. करते हो गया. मतलब ऐसे started off with a very, very, very small cupcake and a cake, and then it grew, and वो होते I have got very nice responses from people. मतलब लोग connect करने लगे. I thought कि, to be very, very honest, I'm not even like kidding. मेरे को लगा था कि भाई बहुत, मतलब कुछ नहीं हो पाएगा, ये तो बहुत stupid है, मेरा plan तो गया. I was very demotivated. But thanks to everybody near me, thanks to the responses, thanks to the people trusting me, होते हो गया.
That's great.
And it landed off, touch wood, it landed off very nicely.
But how did you bring this whole food therapy concept in this? Because you started it directly, ठीक है. But अब वो food therapy वाला concept कैसे आया? Because yes, you said it right कि lockdown में खाने पीने का जो जोश रहा है और कभी नहीं रहा है. I haven't seen in my family and my friends कभी भी ये जोश हम कभी किसी में नहीं है. The way the new Dalgona coffee, अलग तरीका के cakes and all that जो भी आए हैं अभी नए those things were not there exactly. But how did you bring this whole food therapy concept inside your whole venture?
So okay, so I thought if it can help me, it will help other people as well.
Sure.
Okay, so I used to create food which makes me feel good. I will create food which makes people feel good. So that is the only concept. Same concept which I applied for myself, I applied for people. And I was like, let's give it a shot. Let's see what happens. And it landed well. That's the only thing. And of course, it took me a lot of time to present it nicely, to talk about it. मतलब आप समझ रहे ना, आई एम ऑल्सो बिगिनर. मतलब मेरे को बहुत टाइम लगा उसको सेटल होने में. तो इंस्टाग्राम पे हाउ शुड आई टेक इट, मतलब because if I'm posting pictures of cakes, chocolates, तो वो सामने वाले का वो होता है कि हाँ, she is also a baker. मतलब लोग को ये समझने में टाइम लगा कि नहीं, हम बेकरी का काम नहीं कर रहे. I am not a baker. I don't call myself a baker. I am doing a lot many things. I mean, the concept behind it, I'm doing a lot of things which caters all kind of food. That's it.
Okay.
So that जो ये food therapy की मेरे को, and I'm not kidding so much. I have a lot of people जो मेरे contact में है, जो मेरे friends है, जो मेरे customers है. They call me ऐसे, मतलब ऐसा भी situation है, रोते लोग का phone आ रहा है, ऋषिका प्लीज कुछ भी खिला दो, कुछ भी मीठा खिला दो, ऋषिका प्लीज मेरे को नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है, कुछ अच्छा खिला दो. And उन लोग का मेरे को my point is they call me and they tell me कि अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. I wanna feel good, so give me something. The thing behind I'm talking about.
हाँ, उन लोग को indirectly समझ, indirectly they are understanding food therapy, but they are not understanding what food therapy is.
हाँ
Basically,
वो
वो लोग
ठीक
को वही
है
चाहिए, food therapy
हाँ
को चाहिए, exactly.
हाँ तो वही सो देयर आर टाइम्स कि मतलब फिर मेरे को अच्छा लगता है कि हाँ मतलब अच्छा ओके
Okay,
आई
this
एम
is the
ऑन द
thing.
राइट ट्रैक इट्स
हाँ
गोइंग
हाँ,
ऑन इट्स
this
गोइंग
is
राइटली
what कहीं ना कहीं वो you know this thing is there in the world कि वो बोलते हैं ना कायनात वाला चीज. It's like कहीं ना कहीं वो हल्का सा दिखा देगा कि सही जा रहा है या गलत जा रहा है. It has happened
गलत जा
a lot of times. A few weeks ago during Women's Day and everything, I released a few videos on IGTV on different concepts. बट फिर वहीं पर मैं देखता हूँ कि बड़े बड़े यू नो बिग कंपनीज जो अभी बड़े हो रहे हैं एंड कंपनीज हु आर एक्चुअली डिवोटेड टू यूथ like we are young, we the young India and Yuva and everything, they are also doing the same thing at the same time with the same concept. और मैं भी वही चीज रिलीज करने का कोशिश कर रहा हूँ and it's like this is a signal that I am doing the right thing. Same way that you are saying कि हाँ जब उनसे मेरे को फीडबैक आता है, जब मेरे को पता चलता है कि they are actually wanting this thing only and you are actually promoting the same thing but उनको वो idea exactly आया नहीं है and फिर वो वहाँ पे क्लिक हो जाता है कि yes this is the thing that I want
This is the right track.
I'm on the right track and उससे ज़्यादा हमको कुछ अभी चाहिए. So it's really nice to hear this. But as we started the whole podcast right now in the episode and you said that कि सबके लिए pandemic ऊपर नीचे गया है and you being from the psychology background, I believe mental health is very important and you do as well. And अभी तो चलो देखो we are on the second stage. अभी the whole thing is spreading. We are looking forward to another lockdown and we don't know how things will be. People have gotten dull. People of my age, I have gotten dull in a lot of ways. There are a lot of things that have happened. It has affected in a whole different way mentally. So how would you say was the whole pandemic situation for you? You started this whole thing, yes. I am not saying that कि खाली ऊपर
It was in the
सब कुछ, but ऊपर नीचे
it was in the later part. It was in the later part that I started it.
And plus आपके like around the people around you have been also you know going through a lot. So how was the pandemic for you overall, and you know how did you tackle with everything that was going around you, the difficulties that you faced?
So to be very honest, pandemic was the first time ever in my house that every member is there. Otherwise either one of my member is out or somebody is studying out, somebody is doing some work outside. I was outside for 3 years. I was out in Guwahati for 3 years now. So everybody, it was this time when the whole my life that all of us are together and we have been together. So of course it was not easy for me. I felt like I was, you know, thrown. I was like ऐसे दिल्ली से उठाया गया, गुवाहाटी में फेंक दिया गया. I felt like that कि भाई मेरे को फेंक दिया यहाँ पे, दिल्ली में धक्का मार के बाहर निकाल के. मतलब it was very difficult. I used to stay alone. I had my own house there. It was very different. मतलब coming back to Guwahati and with, of course, with this situation, like with the pandemic situation where we, you know, nobody knew what to do, what not to do. It was really very difficult to cope with. But then, of course, I mean, the only memory, you know, of a happy time I have of lockdown is कि बहुत कुछ हो रहा है, घर पे कुछ चल रहा है, कुछ भी, you know, everything is not in the right place. And everybody in my house ended up like, चलो आज गुलाब जामुन बना लेते हैं, या चलो आज कुछ बना लेते हैं. So everybody, मतलब मेरे घर पे सब ऐसे हैं कि चलो कुछ हो रहा है तो let's cook something. So that was the only thing, you know, which I had in my mind कि चलो let's give it a start, because this helped me so much, Samad. I'm not kidding. It has changed the whole thing for me. Only this thing has changed the whole thing for me. Because see, I am kind of a person जो टेक्नो में नहीं है, जो नेटफ्लिक्स देखना पसंद नहीं करता है, जो ऐसे दिन भर मूवीज नहीं देख सकते. I have never done. I don't even think that I'll ever be able to do. So it was very, you know, I really connected to cooking, to eating, to make people eat, to make something nice, to creating things, putting my mind into it. It was a kind of therapy for me. पूरा जो सब कुछ खराब चल रहा है उसका थेरेपी एक अच्छा कुछ बना के खा.
So the lockdown was completely a roller coaster. It seems like starting में पूरा का पूरा lows था, फिर अचानक से high हुआ, फिर when you started the whole venture तब तो high low चलते रहता है. But lockdown was difficult, yes. Then again, when you started your whole venture, then it became a bit simpler. It became you could consume things. But starting such a venture, I believe being a woman is already a lot of pressure in our society, in this patriarchal world that we stay in. And I hate that to say, like हमको बोलने में बहुत शर्म आ रहा है, but this is the truth. This is the hard truth today. And I really want to know what kind of stereotypes that you faced when you started something like this. Because अगर हम podcast start किया तो as a person who has started something like this, where my parents don't understand, तो उनका first reaction कहीं ना कहीं माथा में ये आता ही है कि कैसे कमाएगा, इससे कैसे कमा सकेगा, इससे कैसे तुम कुछ कर पाएगा. दिस इज नॉट समथिंग दैट वी डू. पढ़ाई करो एंड उसके बाद जॉब कर लो, उसके बाद अपना बिजनेस कर लो. दैट्स द लाइफ दैट वी हैव सीन. एंड बीइंग फ्रॉम अ मारवाड़ी फैमिली, वो बनिया बुद्धि हमेशा रहेगा. that thing will be there always for us. So I really want to know what kind of stereotypes you faced, because I believe there have been a lot. And तुम उसको टैकल कैसे किया, कैसे वो बायसनेस, वो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन को टैकल किया, इवन दो यू हैव मेल मेंबर्स एट योर प्लेस एंड दे आर डूइंग समथिंग एल्स, तुम उस चीज़ को कैसे टैकल किया? क्योंकि अगर तुम उस चीज़ को उभर के आया है, कहीं ना कहीं बाकी लोग को बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस देगा ये चीज़ कि यस, इफ यू एज अ सिंगल वुमन कैन डू समथिंग लाइक दिस, anyone can do anything. So I really want to know your story.
Okay. So when I started this, when I thought about it, कि let's do something like this, my dad was always he's like, ठीक है, let's do it. He was in the one side, he was like, okay. धीरे धीरे जब ये सब चीज सच में होने लगा, जब चीजें सिंक इन होने लगी, जब पता चलने लगा कि हाँ सच में करना है ये, like we are thinking and we have to do it, तब चीजें बहुत ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट होने लग गया. So there were people, there are still people, there were things जो ऐसा था कि तुम सब क्या ही होगा, छोड़ दो, तुमने तो ये है, छोड़ दो. And see, जब ऐसे होता है ना कि पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं हम, बच्चे पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, उसके बाद अचानक से कुछ शुरू कर दिया, तो अच्छा तुम कितना दिन, 1 साल कर लेगे ना, ठीक है कर लो, तुम अपने मन का पूरा कर लो. मतलब कोई भी इस चीज को बिगर पिक्चर में नहीं देखना चाह रहे. मतलब पता नहीं, बहुत अब फाइनली नाउ आफ्टर like 1 year of everything, my family has accepted this thing कि भाई अब इसको जो करना है ये तो करेगी, इसको जैसे करना है ये तो करेगी. 1 साल लगा उन लोग को भी एकदम अच्छे से ये चीज लोगों को बोलने में. मतलब उन लोग मेरे सामने क्या बोल रहे हैं, उन लोग के सामने क्या बोल रहे हैं, दैट्स 2 different things. So now after like 1 whole year, everybody now I have made that space कि अच्छा हाँ चलो अब हो जाएगा. अभी तक भी ऐसा था कि अरे क्या करना है इतना करके, मत करो ना, क्या ही हो जाएगा, क्यों करना है, छोड़ दो, लेट्स गिव इट, ऐसे थोड़ा मोड़ा कर दो, समझ रहे. एंड above that, one thing which I'm not ashamed of telling this. मेरे को कोई वो किसी बात का इसमें hesitation नहीं है. Samant, you won't believe. So suppose I go, ठीक है, of course, when I'm doing something, I'm creating a hamper or something, I need a lot of things. For getting a lot of things, I have to visit a lot of places. अब हम फैंसी बाजार भी जा रहे हैं, हम यहाँ पे 5 दुकान में जा रहे हैं. I'm searching for better rates and everything. Every time I have encountered somebody or somebody has come and told me कि मतलब suppose करो, if I am selling them something, okay, किसी को भी, even if it's my customer or something, जो मुझसे बहुत बड़े हैं, कोई बहुत मुझसे बहुत बड़े हैं, so it's for suppose जो चीज़ है वो 450 rupees का है, they're like कोई बात नहीं बेटा, तुम 250 रख लो. मतलब ऐसा लैंग्वेज कि तुम 250 रख लो. I was like, अंकल कोई बात नहीं, it's okay, let's not even do this. मतलब हम आपको फिर डिलीवर ही नहीं करते. मतलब एकदम हम ये चीज सोच के, कोई जब मेरे को ऐसा रिप्लाई करता है ना, I won't बहुत ओपनली हम इस चीज को नहीं बोलेगा, because people, मतलब जो भी, okay, I won't tell it very loudly, but I'm telling कि I have seen a lot of situations जहाँ पे ऐसा होता है कि कुछ 3,000 का है, अच्छा बेटा तुम 2,000 रख लो, तुम्हारा तो इट्स ओके ना, तुम 2,000 में तो हो जाएगा तुम्हारा काम। अरे कब लोग, and I think a lot of people have faced this, मतलब not only me, everybody who is working from home, मतलब not only from my field but from a lot of field, क्यों रख लो भाई, हम यहाँ पे equally मेहनत करें जितना आप मेहनत करें, it's okay, I am not earning in lakhs or thousands, मतलब I don't even have to, मतलब अभी तक मेरा वो vision भी नहीं है, but even if I'm earning in hundreds also, I am earning ना, when I don't understand when will everybody start
अर्निंग तो
respecting this
बाद
fact.
में आता है, बट मेरा मेहनत, माय ब्लड एंड स्वेट इज हियर, यू आर हैविंग माय थिंग दैट आई एम बेकिंग फॉर यू, आई एम मेकिंग फॉर यू, एंड वहां पे आप बार्गेन इस तरीके से कर रहा है कि नहीं मेरा कोई इज्जत ही नहीं है। बार्गेनिंग
हाँ,
इज समथिंग,
exactly.
ठीक है, यू कैन
हाँ,
बार्गेन,
you
बार्गेन का एक
bargain.
तरीका
हाँ.
होता है, बट तुम रख लो,
Exactly.
द लैंग्वेज दैट दे यूज इज वेरी वेरी हार्ड।
Exactly. मतलब this language, मतलब ये इससे पता चलता है कि क्या चल रहा है भाई, what is the psyche they have about things. I have like 10 people in my, I can count you 10 people's name of 10 people जो मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ है and people have told me, ठीक है, ये सब situation पे ना I feel कि मेरा ही गलती होगा, मतलब it makes me very low कि यार you imagine, मतलब you wake up, my whole night was in this thought कि मेरे को कल सुबह क्या create करना है, हम पूरा रात I was thinking कि अच्छा last time we did this, let's do something new क्योंकि वो अच्छा लगेगा या वो और trendy होगा या वो just to come with a better thing. I have a lot of disagreements with my family, of course, मतलब what I think and what I see, my parents don't see that ना, तो हम लोग suppose कुछ create कर रहा होता है, suppose if I am making a hamper, तो मेरा मम्मी या मेरा पापा का बहुत disagreements हो जाते हैं because he is like नहीं तुम ऐसे मत करो, I understand, मतलब I'm not denying what he is saying everything, तो एक किसी के लिए I have disagreements with my family, इतना कुछ process के बाद अच्छा बेटा लो तुम 2,000 रुपए, मतलब imagine the shit out of it, मतलब बहुत initially no doubt it was very difficult for me, मतलब मेरे को याद है जब मेरे साथ first time हुआ था ना, I came, मतलब ऐसे घर पे हुआ था and I cried so much in front of my parents. I was like छोड़ो, let's not do this because this is not the way, मतलब I have been doing so much, I have been thinking for people, for their mental health, for their nice things कि उनको अच्छा लगे, and then you receive something so demeaning.
I understand.
So
I totally understand that. I can only imagine what you have been through for this whole situation. Plus, already complete discrimination होता नहीं है घर पे when it comes
हाँ,
to it. And
मतलब to be, I am very thankful for the fact कि मम्मी पापा या मेरे भाई बहनों से मुझे ये चीज नहीं मिला, to be I am very thankful about the fact. Of course उनको टाइम लगा उस चीज को एक्सेप्ट करने में,
but yeah, eventually
बट ये सब चीज जो होता है ना जो एकदम इंसान को मतलब डिमीन करके तोड़ सकता है, वो सब चीज मेरे को नहीं।
I totally and 100% agree यहाँ पे कि कहीं पे भी अगर you put your blood and sweat in something and you're doing everything in it and they are like कि हाँ तुम्हारा तो इसमें ही चल जाएगा, तुमको कैसे पता मेरा।
And सबसे बड़ा बात मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि अगर मेरे जगह पे मेरा भाई होता या अगर मेरे जगह पे कोई लड़का
नहीं बोलता,
किसी के अंदर इतना ऑडेसिटी है टू कम अप एंड टेल दैट कि भाई तुम्हारा हो जाएगा इसमें, तुम रख
नहीं, वही तो ये स्टीरियोटाइप
के अंदर इतना ऑडेसिटी नहीं है,
इतना बड़ा पेट्रियार्कल, इतना बड़ा मिसोजिनी फैला हुआ है ना, इतना सारा मिसोजिनिस्टिक थिंग्स आर देयर इन आवर होल सोसाइटी, पीपल डोंट अंडरस्टैंड एंड पीपल डोंट इवन अंडरस्टैंड द वर्ड मिसोजिनी। उनको लगता है कि हम लोग कोई गाली दिया है, बट इट्स नॉट गाली, इट्स समथिंग दैट यू डू एंड यू जस्ट हैव टू चेंज इट। वो गाली नहीं है, अगर गाली लेता मतलब तुमको पता है कि हाँ तुम कुछ गलत कर रहा है वहाँ पे। इट्स लाइक पीपल इतना डिमीन करके रखा है women को for even if like there are so many people who have started something of their own in a boutique way, like कोई बुटीक खोल के रखा है, कोई घर पे ही कुछ वैसा कर रहा है, कोई खुद से DIYs कर रहा है, कोई कुछ ना कुछ इधर उधर कर रहा है and they are all women। उनका खुद का घर वाला डिमीन स्टार्ट करता है, फिर प्लस उनके आसपास के रिलेटिव्स, क्लोज रिलेटिव्स, फर्स्ट कजिन्स, एवरीवन मामा मामी बुआ जो भी है उनके साथ, एंड दे आर लाइक कि हाँ तुम तो दे ही देगा, फ्री में ही दे देना। अब फिर मम्मी लोग भी कहीं ना कहीं से बोलता है कि उनको तुम पहुंचा देना, अपने ही तो हैं, अपने ही मामा है, अपने ही। अरे यार हम जो मेहनत कर रहे हैं, हम पैसा जिससे कमाना चाहता है उससे ही तुम लोग अगर ये कर रहे हैं। प्लस family is the place, family and relatives are the first market, like they are the people who can help us reach out to more people, and उनसे ही हम लोग को सबसे पहले पैसा या इनकम मिल सकता है यार। These are people who
And
can help us.
हम लोग का मतलब back of our mind, when we do something, when we really do something, हम लोग को ये लगता है कि हम लोग को सबसे ज्यादा सपोर्ट उन लोग से मिलेगा। मतलब because अगर मेरा कोई कजन कर रहा होगा कुछ, one of my cousin comes tomorrow and she'll be like, I'll also start something like this. I will be the first person to support her and tell, even if she's doing the same thing that I am doing. मतलब मेरे को उससे ये ग्रज नहीं होगा कि अच्छा तुमको क्यों करना है ये वो ये, मतलब यार
never I totally relate to this. My cousins, like मेरा कभी किसी cousin के साथ इतना बना नहीं है, but whenever they come to me, my younger brother or anyone, and they ask me, मेरा और मेरा खुद का भाई पे एक बार झगड़ा होता है या फिर कभी कभी we debate and he is like कि I'll start my own podcast जहाँ पे हम आपका podcast को demean करेंगे. I was like मेरे लिए free marketing है dude. Start it. It will be a good rivalry. It will be a good healthy debate between us, and we can put out a lot of good things out. And this way, if my other cousins also come to me and start, they are like कि आप video कैसे create कर रहा है, आप इसको कैसे edit कर रहा है, आप reels डाल रहे हो, आप podcast कैसे बना रहा है, कैसे करता है. And when they are interested, I'm like, you can also start something like this. You have to have your own niche, and you have to start. You have to keep being constant is the only thing which matters here. You can take your own time and everything, but constant होना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. हम सबको ये चीज़ ही बोलते हैं. And I'd never demotivate anyone to start something new, because this is the right age to try. Like trial method वाला अभी ही age है. Trial and error तुमको अभी करना है कर लो. तुमको पता चलेगा exactly तुमको क्या करना है, and then you can start ऊपर, and that will be huge for you someday. You will be so proud अगर कोई तुमको push भी नहीं किया and you did it on your own, and people were just they were accepting you, they were agreeing with things, कोई push नहीं किया, but eventually people started to be with you and everything. उसके बाद एक अंदाजा पड़ जाता है कि yes, I am doing the right thing, I am increasing, my viewers are increasing, my followers are increasing, I am getting good reviews. उस हिसाब से we increase.
It goes on.
But definitely I'll say this thing for sure कि women के लिए आज के डेट पे भी, even in the 21st century, it's really difficult to do anything. Just with women, I have done so many episodes. सबके पास हम सबसे एक्चुअली ये क्वेश्चन पूछा नहीं है. आई हैव आस्क्ड 2-3 पीपल ओनली एंड दे हैव ऑल सेड द सेम थिंग. वो डिफिकल्टी हमेशा रहा है. जैसे तुम उनको लास्ट में ये चीज बोल दिया कि अगर उसकी जगह लड़का होता तो किसी का कोई हिम्मत नहीं होता वैसा कुछ बोलने.
मतलब हिम्मत, इमेजिन, सोच के पहले हिम्मत तो आता है ना कि अपने अंदर भी तो एक वो होना चाहिए ना कि हम लोग बोल दें. अच्छा, वन थिंग आई विल लाइक टू ऐड, ठीक है. सो मेरे को कोई शर्म नहीं है बात बोलने में कि आई एम वेरी बैड एट टेक्नोलॉजी, वेरी बैड. मतलब मेरे को फोन में सिर्फ फोन मिलाना आता है, फोन काटना आता है, फोन उठाना आता है. दैट इज ओनली आई नो. ओके, इट्स ओके, आई हैव नो व्हाटएवर, ठीक है. मेरे को कोई वो इस बात पर कोई शर्म नहीं है कि मेरे को नहीं आता. सो आई हैव मेट एंड आई हैव एनकाउंटर्ड दोस पीपल आल्सो जो मेरे को ऐसे, मतलब जो उनका टेक होता है कि अच्छा ठीक है, तुम खाना तो सब कुछ तो चलो ठीक चल रहा है, लेकिन तुम्हारा इंस्टाग्राम देख लो, तुमको तो ये भी करना नहीं आता, तुमको तो वो भी करना नहीं आता. मतलब
एक बोलने का
even if they want to appreciate your thing ना, they will appreciate your thing for, मतलब appreciate करने के चक्कर में लोग 10 चीज ऐसे नीचे कर देंगे कि it's okay, आप नहीं appreciate करते तो ही ठीक था. मतलब
एक मतलब constructive criticism देना भी एक तरीका होता है. That's also if you have to help the other person and tell them that this is something that they are doing wrong and this is something they can do right.
right,
इस तरीका से बोलना का होता है. It's not like कि तुम एक चीज बोल दिया और 10 चीज तुम गलत दिखा दिया, यार वो पूरा का पूरा डिमीन हो जाएगा. तुमको क्या पता रात को सोता है क्या सोच के सोएगा वो. because this is their baby, this is your baby, this is my baby, what I am doing, and we want it to grow in such a huge state. We want happiness from it, we want people to get happy with it, knowledge from it, and ऐसा नहीं चाहते हम लोग इसके साथ, and they are just demeaning it. जितना मेहनत होता है ना, ऐसा लगता है कि पानी में हम लोग ऐसे ही फेंक दिया है, कुछ हम लोग कुछ किया ही नहीं।
It is very difficult to
हम
stand
बहुत
out. It's difficult to stand out.
and हम पहले सुनता था when I used to see TV series and all that, in you know मम्मी लोग के साथ सीरियल देखने बैठते थे, या फिर when we used to watch movies or something, when the actors used to go for acting and all that, जो movies में दिखाते हैं and all that, कि 1000 अच्छा फीडबैक मिल जाता है, बट अगर वो एक खराब फीडबैक टच हो जाता है ना, सब कुछ खत्म हो जाता है।
I swear,
सब
I
कुछ
swear.
खत्म हो जाता है, और अब पता चल रहा है, अब समझ में आ रहा है वो चीज, अब एक्चुअली वो चीज दिख रहा है हम लोग को कि when we are doing something like this, when we are getting a negative feedback, sometimes they are constructive and we can take it, but कभी कभी ऐसा फीडबैक आ जाता है जो अच्छा फीडबैक भी है ना, वो कभी मीन नहीं करेगा फिर उसके बाद, and it's very
it's मतलब either we are very delicate, but I don't think so we are delicate, or the world out there is very crucial, मतलब very cruel, not crucial, sorry, wrong word, cruel.
it's like जैसे जैसे बड़े हो रहे हैं वैसे वैसे कुछ ना कुछ नया नया हम लोग को पता चल रहा है, and it's getting more difficult.
Cruelty और बड़े, हाँ, cruelty, मतलब
100%.
I will tell you one thing, I was kind of a person, मतलब who was so social, मतलब मेरे को ऐसा होता था कि मेरे को सबको जानना है, मेरे को सबसे बात करना है, I should be, you know, everybody should be my friend kind of girl, okay, every time, मतलब even in Delhi and after Delhi I was like that. Trust me, after opening this venture, after going like 1 year, 1 साल के बाद, I am such a changed person, I'm such a change in context of social life, and in context of people, in context of things,
everything. Yep.
I feel मेरा पूरा जिंदगी लोगों का सुन के निकल गया, मतलब सबका सुन के निकल गया, मतलब I have made myself such a hard rock stone type, मतलब myself कि अब मेरे को कोई कुछ भी बोल दे ना, I won't give a damn, I want to tell this to everybody out there as well, yaar, you don't have to think about what people are saying, fuck it, it's not our time.
The thing that you said ना कि ऐसा कुछ स्टार्ट करने के बाद पूरा लाइफ का अंडरस्टैंडिंग चेंज हो गया है, सोशलाइजिंग का कॉन्सेप्ट चेंज हो गया है कि किसके साथ करना किसके साथ नहीं. आई एम द सेम पर्सन, वे टोल्ड मी ना, आई वाज द सेम पर्सन लाइक दैट ओनली, जो सबसे घुलना मिलना चाहता है, सबको हेल्प करना चाहता है, सब कुछ ये, बट अब हम कट ऑफ करना चालू कर दिया है, एंड आई एम लिटरली सेइंग आउट लाउड, आई हैव बीन कटिंग ऑफ सो मेनी पीपल नाउअडेज, I have been taking a step back from so many people. I don't know if they realize it or not. I don't know if they will ever realize it or not. But I have cut off from a lot of people, and I don't fucking care about them at all. I was like कि अब भाड़ में जाइए लोग, नए लोग अच्छे आए तो ठीक, पुराने लोग जो अच्छे हैं वो है, बाकी सारे जाए भाड़. Because it affects you.
हमारा generation.
I know. We are so depressed, man. इतना depressed. हम कोई generation नहीं सुना होगा. Like हम लोग से पहले वाले generation, they used to work hard, make something out of them, and you know build something and everything. अपना generation या तो instant बन जाता है, या तो पूरा जान लगा देगा फिर भी कुछ नहीं होता है, या like yes, there are positive outcomes कि हाँ जान लगाने के बाद भी निकलता है, but it's like इतना डिप्रेस है, कोई लोग इतना लाउजी है, कोई लोग इतना सैड है, कोई लोग I can't see fucking happiness anywhere, to be honest. खाली वो happiness वाला टैग ना थोड़ा देर के लिए रहता है, उसके बाद गायब हो जाता है, ऐसा है.
You know, so every post, you know, my whole Instagram, so whenever I post something, I नीचे write baked with love, yeah, made with love, and मेरे को इतना, मतलब it feels so much कि कितना कमी है ना इस. आई एम नॉट कंपेयरिंग सिटीज, ठीक है, अगर कोई, मतलब देयर विल बी पीपल जो बोलेंगे कि अरे दिल्ली ऐसा है, बॉम्बे ऐसा है, सूरत ऐसा है, बैंगलोर ऐसा है, ब्ला 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 ब्ला. इट्स नॉट अबाउट द सिटी. हाँ, इट्स नॉट अबाउट द सिटी, इट्स अबाउट द थिंग, इट्स अबाउट पीपल, इट्स अबाउट योर मेंटालिटी, इट्स अबाउट योर साइकी. If you really want to help out people, you can. If you really want to break out people, you can do that as well. तो हमको लगता है there are 2 slots of people, breaking out, making out, and and that's how this whole generation is coming up. That is the only thing. बहुत
ये generation काफी लोगों को काफी कुछ सिखा के जाएगा. That's true. काफी deep down हम लोग को the introspect करने का मौका मिलेगा because of this because of our generation.
हाँ, true that.
लोग से बड़ा लोग हो चाहे वो हम लोग से छोटा लोग हो.
छोटा हो.
For sure. Okay, let's not divert more and let's get into the
point.
So,
yeah.
Everybody has their own achievements, everybody has their own failures, their difficulties and everything. You talked about your difficulty, yes. So let's try and start with something as compared to the difficulties. वैसा ही कुछ negative से, so that we can end it in a positive note. Let's start with your failure. One of the failures that you have had, and let's just end it with one of your biggest achievements that you have had in the last 1 year. You started it first.
Okay, when it comes to failures, see, I feel जब आप किसी लोग के सामने गिरते हो ना, तो ऐसा होता है कि चलो ठीक है, it's okay. मतलब हम लोग, it's okay. It's okay if you lose 1 customer. It's okay if you lose 2 customers. When there are times when you give up in front of yourself कि अब मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा, ये तो मेरा biggest failure है. So I will explain you with an example. Okay, what happened? There was one of my customer. जो they trusted me a lot, and उनका ऐसे मम्मी पापा का 25th anniversary था, and I had to make a cake and I have to send it to them and blah blah blah, everything, the whole concept. So what happened? So this cake, this was the first time I made a very beautiful cake and a double decker cake, and it was my first time that I've created something so nice. And for this cake I have worked very hard because this was during the lockdown time, and it was very difficult for me to get proper things for the cake and everything. I literally remember 2 days, the whole 2 days it went कि अरे मेरे को ये सामान चाहिए, मेरे को वो सामान चाहिए, वो ऐसे नहीं हो रहा है, जो भी, to get into that place. सब कुछ बहुत अच्छे से बना, सब कुछ बहुत हुआ. When it went to the place जहाँ पे वो deliver होना था, वो जिसके हाथ में जो डिलीवरी लेके जा रहा था ना ऊपर, he slipped in the stairs and the cake fell. And everything got ruined. Everything. It was a 3-tier cake, and oh my god, मेरा पूरा दिन रात मतलब at that time I was like, हो गया, अब मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा. मतलब see, there are a lot of times in my life and in this thing, कुछ खराब हो जाता है ना, तो मेरे को ऐसा लगता है अब तो खत्म, अब तो कुछ हो ही नहीं पाएगा. तो coming up with that, मतलब हाँ, overcoming that is one of my achievements. But seeing something like this, it was such a failure on my side, and that's when I realized that I should literally, if I'm doing something, I should know that thing very nicely. Matlab, even if you are, just selling a biscuit or something, even if you are selling anything, you should really, really have a whole full knowledge of it.
True.
मतलब
100%
मेरे को ये समझ आया कि भाई you have to learn things. मतलब ठीक है, अभी तक जो हो गया सो हो गया. I have not taken any bakery class, I have not gone into any culinary schools or something, But after that situation, I was like, कि भाई, let's do something, because we have to get knowledge about things and then do things. It was in front of 25 people जो ये हुआ, and I was there, and मतलब ठीक है, सबका एक बार तो वो होता ही है ना कि अरे तुम ठीक है, जो भी सिचुएशन था, they were good people, सब कुछ हो गया, but काफी disaster.
बड़ा disaster था.
छोटे बहुत disaster.
One of your biggest achievements?
One of my biggest achievements, that I've been able to create a cake without any help. A really, really good cake without any help.
That's great. This is the first achievement where I can actually see someone saying कि हाँ हम खुद से कुछ achieve किया है. It's like what
But
people
I'm
say exactly, यहाँ पे ऐसे कुछ बोलते हैं कि हाँ मेरा कस्टमर्स इतना था, someone said कि हाँ मेरा हमको इतना, I earned this much, I got so many orders and everything. कोई ऐसे बोले कि हाँ कोई बड़े कंपनी के साथ मेरा अच्छा खासा tie up हुआ है. These kinds of achievements are the things that people talk about. And you are the first person in my podcast who has actually told कि मैंने खुद से कुछ किया. Nobody is related here. Nobody is
no,
related. और खाली मैंने अकेला वो चीज किया. Not even for someone else. What मतलब हाँ किसी का ऑर्डर होगा, but it was the biggest achievement for me जब मैंने खुद से अकेला से एक केक रेडी कर लिया.
I mean after जैसे suppose we do a frosting in a cake, okay? I will shout out to everybody, all the bakers and all the people जो इतना beautiful cake बना सकते हैं. I mean it's not easy. It's not an easy task. मतलब I really appreciate those people जो इतना अच्छा कुछ create कर सकते हैं. So there were times जो पूरा रात I was seeing Instagram का videos and I was trying out new things and blah blah blah. It took me मतलब एक frosting से एक cream से एक rose create करना मतलब बहुत it's not a easy task. It takes a lot of things to even come up. Of course मतलब without any help. Without any help मतलब कभी भी after that situation only the cake fell. मेरे को ऐसा लगा कि I should take help. But तब तक तो I was at that stage कि मेरे को एक अच्छा सुंदर सा बहुत pretty सा cake I could have created for anybody. So technicalities जो होता है ना, I took a class for technicalities and not for learning the things and the techniques.
सबका अपना अपना अचीवमेंट होता है, यस. सबका अपना फेलियर्स होता है एंड डिसअपॉइंटमेंट्स होता है, यस. दैट्स अ ट्रू थिंग. बट खुद का अचीवमेंट इस तरीके से बताना, इट्स अ न्यू थिंग फॉर मी टू बी ऑनेस्ट. बिकॉज इफ समवन आस्किंग व्हाट्स माय अचीवमेंट टिल नाउ इन माय पॉडकास्ट, इट्स नथिंग बट दैट आई हैव लर्नड अ लॉट फ्रॉम अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. फीडबैक्स, यस दे मैटर. फीडबैक्स मैटर अ लॉट कहीं ना कहीं. बट मेरे को कुछ वैसा खास फीडबैक कभी मिला नहीं है, बट जिससे भी मिला है काफ़ी अच्छा मिला है. इट्स क्रिटिकल भी मिला है, लाइक कोई लोग कंस्ट्रक्टिव क्रिटिसिज्म दिया है, नो डाउट. बट जहाँ तक हो सका है, वॉट एवर आई एम ट्राइंग टू डू इज जस्ट बिकॉज कि आई कैन लर्न अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स एंड कोई ना कोई ऐसा लालच है कि हम किसी को हेल्प करें. दैट्स इट. इससे ज़्यादा मेरा कोई लालच है नहीं यहाँ पे. अभी पैसा कमाना बहुत दूर का बात है इससे, क्योंकि आई एम जस्ट अभी जस्ट हम स्टार्ट किया है. अभी आई एम जस्ट अ बिगिनर राइट नाउ. So that's that. After the whole thing happening, your achievements, your failures, your difficulties, seeing what stereotypes can be that you have to go through, और कितना सारे pandemic में problems and everything. One piece of advice that you will give to anyone who wants to start something like this. One single advice.
Not to care about anything what people are saying. That's the only niche, that's the only agenda, that should be the only mantra. मतलब भाई लोग बोलते हैं कि ये कर लो वो कर लो, don't give a fuck about people. मतलब see when I will make it very clear, my stance will be very clear here. खुद का करना ये मतलब नहीं होता है कि तुम लोगों को मतलब for doing it yourself you don't have to fight. मतलब आपको बाकी लोग को नाराज नहीं करना है, आपको बाकी लोग से लड़ाई करके कि भाई घर छोड़ के चले जाओ, मतलब इसका ये मतलब नहीं होता है कि घर छोड़ के चले गए, सब मारा पीटी ही कर लिया टाइप जो होता है ना. फॉर मेकिंग योर ओन स्पेस ना यू हैव टू स्टैंड टू योरसेल्फ. मतलब यू हैव टू बिलीव इन योरसेल्फ कि भाई ठीक है, एक बार गलती हुआ, 10 बार गलती हुआ, 100 बार गलती हुआ, you will land into the place. मतलब see it's very difficult there. Of course, suppose you have ordered something, okay, suppose you want a वड़ा पाव, okay, लेकिन अगर आपको वड़ा पाव खाना है, जरूरी नहीं है ना आपको और मेरे को जैसा वड़ा पाव भाता है वैसा आपको भी भाता हो, आपको कुछ उसमें नहीं चाहिए, कोई एलिमेंट आपको मिसिंग चाहिए. So for creating something according to somebody's taste, it's a difficult thing. मतलब of course मेरे को भी बहुत preparation करना होता है उस according. तो one thing is there, I have always believed in myself कि हो जाएगा, मतलब believe in yourself, हो जाएगा, हाथ पाँव मारो हो जाएगा. तो बस वही है, हाथ पाँव मार के ही you have to make stands for yourself.
गलती से इंसान सीखता है. It's not that कि गलती के बिना कोई कुछ सीख सकता है. Anything that big, like the people,
you should not, I mean nobody should give up because of people कि इन लोगों ने ऐसे बोल दिया, लोग क्या बोलेंगे, लोग को अच्छा लग रहा है नहीं लग रहा है, लोग को बाहर है नहीं बाहर है, कितना फैक्टर्स होता है, लोग
वही
think about yourself.
लोग
Be
दिखाते
a selfish.
कि लोग दिखाते नहीं है बेसिकली कि what are their failures. Everybody is for their achievements. कोई भी बड़ा वॉरेन बुफेट को ले लो या फिर आप you take Mukesh Ambani, you take anyone, they don't show their failures out loud. Now that people have started कि हाँ अब वो failures को दिखाना is important because कहीं ना कहीं वो boost करता है किसी को. अब अगर रतन टाटा के बारे में बात करेगा तो हाँ वो कहाँ फेल किया लोग को सबको आज के डेट पे पता होगा, उसके बाद रतन टाटा कहाँ पहुंचा है वो दिखा है. तो दिस इज हाउ इट शुड वर्क बिकॉज पीपल थिंक कि हाँ वो बहुत मेहनत किया है, उससे कभी कोई गलती नहीं हुआ, वो आगे बढ़ गया. दैट्स नॉट हाउ इट वर्क्स. पीपल ऑलवेज मेक मिस्टेक्स के बिना तुम कभी सीखेगा ही नहीं कि कहाँ पे सही है कहाँ पे गलत. That's one thing that people
make
have to
mistakes, मतलब
plus
make
उसके साथ
mistakes.
ये चीज को जोड़ लो कि yes believe in yourself and just keep doing what you have to. Don't think about the world, what the world thinks. That's it. That's how people should be. Everyone should be, to be honest. Like अगर तुम से जा रहे हैं और हम बहुत जजी है and everything, I shouldn't care about you. That's the only thing. That's your life. That's my life. हमको जैसे
it's difficult, but with time हाँ
हो सकता है. हम वैसा था. I was very judgy. I was one person who used to judge a lot of people in school who used to see कि वो ऐसा कपड़ा पहना है and वो ऐसा होगा. I shouldn't say this, but हाँ हम women को भी बहुत ज़्यादा वैसे करता था. Like this girl is like this girl is like that and everything. But now I have understood कि हाँ उनका खुद का कोई बैक स्टोरी होगा जिसके कारण वो ऐसे कर रहा है, या फिर उनका कोई खुद का लाइफ का करियर कुछ होगा. Whatever is going in their life, they only know. Whatever is going in my life, I only know. Nobody else knows how I feel, how I deal with it. And everybody's dealing is different for everyone. किसी के लिए कोई लाइफ सेम नहीं हो सकता. अगर सब बोलते हैं कि हम लोग साथ में बड़े हुए हैं, सबका सब कुछ सेम है, वो भी सीए कर रहा था, हम भी सीए कर रहा था, बट तुमसे नहीं हुआ, वो भी तो सेम जगह पढ़ा, तुम लोग का मार्क्स भी सेम आता है, इस बार क्या हो गया ये वो. I went to something else and that person went to something else. That's it. बट किसी को वो लगेगा नहीं, किसी को वो पता चलेगा.
वो समझ नहीं आएगा this concept. True that.
They have to understand. और ये जिस चीज जो तुम बोला कि जैसे जैसे बड़े हो रहे हैं, जैसे जैसे मैच्योर होंगे, ऐसे वैसे वो अंडरस्टैंडिंग जरूर आए.
मतलब हाँ, I really want people जैसे see I have known a lot of people जिसको जैसे you doing this podcast, ठीक है, you are doing it because you really like, you are doing it because you really want to do something. I am doing my bakery thing, like my home cooking thing, that's because I love doing it. मतलब I feel everybody should do something which they really like, so that at the end of the day they are like कि हाँ चलो कुछ तो मेरी जिंदगी में अच्छा है ना. Things are not good. मतलब बहुत I really want people to come and talk and come and tell. So today what I was trying, I'll tell you, वो जो हमारे Instagram पे वो नहीं है, एक ऑप्शन नहीं है वो रील बनाने का, how this went from this to that. I really want to make a video, ऐसे backward video, कि अभी I am this, but that was my journey. मतलब कि कैसे, do you see कि I want to show the journey. ऐसे मेरे से I couldn't place it rightly, मुझसे बना नहीं. I will take help and I'll make it. But अब मेरे को इसको सबको उल्टा डालना है कि भाई everybody should show their failures. Everybody should speak out about things which they lack. It's okay यार, everybody is
लोग सीखेगा क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं कोई ना कोई अभी वहीं पे अटका हुआ होगा जो जिसको तुम क्रॉस कर सकता है. कहीं ना कहीं कोई ऐसा होगा जो लाइक तुमसे आगे है और तुम उसके बारे में अगर जान गया कि तुम उससे सीखेगा. That's how it works actually. Right now I am doing this because I saw someone doing something like this. It's not that out of the blue ऐसा हो गया.
ऐसा हो गया.
concept आया, वो तुम देखा कि how people are reacting to your food और तुम उसको कैसे अपना concept में डाल सकता है. And how you want to grow and whatever you want to do ahead, it's your own thing how you want to do it. That's how it works. And people have to understand कि failures दिखाना is important as well. खाली achievement.
Very important.
That's
कुछ होगा achievement से होता है, but that's not the right. मतलब जैसे Instagram है ना, जैसे सोशल मीडिया है ना, बहुत ऐसे फैंसी और ऐसे बहुत ही ब्राइट, वैसी अचीवमेंट्स भी, बैक स्टोरीज किसी को नहीं पता होता.
अच्छी हम तो कभी बोलेगा नहीं कि इंस्टाग्राम इज वेरी ब्राइट इन समथिंग बिकॉज सबसे ज्यादा हेट जो फैला है दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ सोशल मीडिया. एंड पहले जो हेट था वो दबा दबा रहता था, लोग के सामने आता नहीं था. आजकल हेट एकदम सामने ऐसे ऐसे खड़ा रहता है कि यस दिस इज हेट, दिस इज व्हाट you are going through and your the future children will go through or your grandparents will go through. Pata nahi, this is something else this is something else for a different podcast altogether. So my last question for you, and which I'm asking each and every person who is coming to this season, in my podcast, I really want to know what differences do you see in you before you started Secret Ingredients, तब तुम कैसा था, and right now at this stage what you are. The difference between that whole process that you did for food therapy and you started Secret Ingredient, and उसके बाद you are learning a lot of things, how you tackled everything. उसके बाद क्या क्या चीज differences तुम देख सकते हो?
Pehla, when it comes to Secret Ingredient, I started off with one thing. Now I have like 35 things. Very, very. This is one thing which I have grown, and सब कुछ वैसे कि एक चीज, मतलब it's not like कि हाँ चलो कल परसों तक एक था लेकिन आज सब कुछ सीख लिया और let's come with 35 things. No, it's not like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. It was पूरा whole process. So that is one thing. Second, I was confident. I was not at all a confident girl. I was not a person. And I'm still not a person who really talks about things कि क्या हो रहा है और क्या difficulties, क्या नहीं है, क्या real life का जो situations होता है. I'm never the person to talk about it. But now I am, because I think कि I have learned things from the realities only. मतलब ऐसे मेरे को reality देख के समझ आया कि बेटा अब तुमको कहाँ रुकना है, कहाँ नहीं रुकना है, कहाँ सुधरना है, कहाँ नहीं सुधरना है. तो अगर लोगों को उससे समझ जाता है तो let's talk about reality and not show very fancy things. So be a true person. Whatever is going on, it is there. Matlab, I am not ashamed of things which I lack.
Acceptance is the key.
Third, I told you, we have talked about it before as well, that socially I've disorient myself socially. I am very social person. I am still, matlab, we can talk hours. Let's sit and we'll talk hours. But I can't let people come and
अब you know who to talk to. Exactly.
It's a professional thing now. Matlab, I have a professional personal thing I've created for myself. But and trust me, it makes me so much feel better. It makes me so much more confident, because it's like I am in my own space. I'm creating my own space for myself. It's okay. मतलब मेरे को बहुत अब मेरे को लगता है कि हाँ ठीक है. Because of a lot of people, of course एक दिन का process नहीं है. It took me years to disorient and to accept things like this. But now I am and only because of Secret Ingredient, I have become more confident and more like that. ठीक है, I have my own thing.
Thank you so much. जिस तरीके से तुम इस चीज को समझाया, there's no reply that I should give. I want to give you because तुम बहुत plain और simply सबको बता दिया कि yes, to do if you do something, you'll always learn something. If you start doing something that you love, there are a lot of changes that you'll have inside you. There are a lot of changes that you'll see around you, and eventually unconsciously तुमको खुद को पता चल जाएगा कि तुम कैसा इंसान है और तुमको क्या सर्व करना है.
Exactly. मतलब मेरे को लगता है कि even if you're not working, मतलब जरूरी नहीं है कि आप पढ़ो या आप कुछ काम ही करो या आप कमाओ ही, मतलब कुछ भी, मतलब you write, you read a book, that is also
वाला concept.
You listen to a music, do whatever you want to, मतलब it will make you feel good at the end. It should make you feel good at the end of the day. Because if you're doing it yourself, you should do things for yourself.
You do you.
That one.
Simple as that.
You exactly. You do you.
So thank you so much, Rishika. I know this is the last question. I was having a lot of fun with the whole conversation. So I'll just end this podcast right now. Thank you so much, Rishika, to do this with me, and the concept that we talked about, the food therapy that you're doing. It's really great. All the best, and I hope that you grow so much. And I really, really wish all the all the love and luck to you. All the positive energy goes towards you, and you do great in this.
To you as well.
Someday I can invest in it. I'll surely invest. That's for sure.
Oh,
Okay. So thank
that's
you
such
so
a
much.
huge thing to tell.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Rishika. Thank you for
Chalo,
this.
thank you for having me
So
here.
guys, if you enjoyed this episode, do not forget to like and comment. Do share this episode with as many people as you can. And before you go, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for staying tuned. Next episode next Saturday.
I am really, really proud of what you're doing. A, I am loving your nail paint. Can you show it?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Breaking
And I'm
speed.
very proud. I am very nice. I mean, I love something like this. Matlab, to another level.
Thank you.
So, and keep breaking stereotypes like this and come forward to talk to people and have fun. And the whole journey gives a real picture that this is the true thing. ऐसे जो दिखता है वो नहीं होता. It's not the true thing. So thank you for doing this. Thank you for coming out with something like this.